Hi, welcome to Lakeland Hyundai. I'm Kevin Clark, sales manager here at Lakeland Hyundai on Memorial Boulevard. And during our spring-summer sales event, our savings are heating up tremendously for you. Like this 2017 Hyundai Tucson Night Edition was $31,065, $7,600 off. You only pay $24,000. Or drive a Tucson home today for $129 a month and 35 miles to the gallon. And here's another hand-picked manager special. Remember, when these cars sell, the savings are gone. The hot savings on this one was $30,455, $5,500 off. You now pay $24,955. With 55 miles to the gallon, that's a lot of money in savings. Remember, folks, we've only picked 4 cars for these hot savings, so take advantage of them. We picked out a nice sporty one for you this time with the Hyundai Veloster Value Edition. 2017 model was $24,305. You save $6,400 off of that. You only pay for this car $17,900. 35 miles to the gallon. Again, the savings just keep adding up. Or drive a Veloster home for $119 a month. And last but not least, during our spring sales event, this is the final hot savings for you. 2017 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid SE model was $29,125. You save $7,600 off of that on this fine car. Now you only pay $21,525 with 45 miles to the gallon. Or drive a Sonata home for $169 a month. Remember, folks, when these 4 cars are gone, the crazy savings are gone. These cars have been handpicked for you for added value. And remember, just because we save you money, give you great deals, we don't take anything from you. You still get, as with any other car purchased here, the first year of factory maintenance and a lifetime warranty, unlimited time, unlimited miles. So come see me here at Lakeland Hyundai in Lakeland, Florida.